Number one reason I bought this Fieldpiece vacuum pump. Doing vacuum to two condensers right next to each other. We're in the 600 in this one. And 17 on this one. It just keeps going up and down, up and down. It's pretty humid outside and chilly, but it's going pretty good. It's been on there for like 7 minutes total, but this is the little setup. Got two 3/8 to 1/4 inch hoses. I didn't have another shader tool, so I used this hose when I shot out so I can do a decay test. For the decay test, got down to 266 and 75.
What'd you do with this other one?